How to connect App Store with Apple ID. So here is a simple step-by-step guide on how to connect the App Store with your Apple ID on iPhone or iPad. So as you can see in my App Store that I'm not connected with any Apple ID in here. So now first of all we have to do is go to the home screen on your iPhone. Then once on your home screen, tap on the settings app available there. Now at the top, tap your name and navigate to your Apple ID settings. Now there all you have to do is scroll down and look for the media and purchase option available there. And once you tap on the media and purchase, you will get to see continue option available on your screen. Now tap on the continue. Now hence you will be logged into your Apple ID in your App Store. Now all you have to do is go back to the App Store and check if you are already connected with the Apple ID or not. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.